Well, I'm here at the home with Amy Tung. We're in Lake Oswego, and recently we held an auction, the Seeley family, for my daughter Anna, who is a leukemia survivor. And during this auction, I auctioned off myself and a yard makeover. So we had some plants donated from Little Prince of Oregon and a few other local vendors. And Amy was the lucky recipient of winning the yard makeover. So we came out with Amy, and she had a few ideas of her yard. So Amy, tell us a little bit about your yard and kind of what it was before.
Well, we had some areas that weren't real planted that were very shady, and the area behind me that had just a few plants but has a lot of trees, and an area on the side that I had planned to plant at some point and never really got around to, and then an area in front, and we just never really got around to it. It seemed like a good opportunity to bring in somebody that knew what they were doing and help us add some plants.
Yeah. So when I came in, there were some plants here, pretty open slate, but you did have a few things in here. What were you kind of looking for me to do?
So I was looking to fill in the blank areas, but also to add some color and just be creative and see what you could come up with. We had some hostas in here, and we love the hostas, and they've always done really well in the shade, but a lot of other plants haven't done so well. So just some variety from what we already had.
And you like some of you were looking, for like color and texture and just kind of a nice variation. You didn't want a real formal pattern.
Exactly. We did not want a formal lines or structure, just a kind of natural, it's a very natural setting anyway, so just a natural plantings.
Right. So we tried to keep with that, and then, as we were, picking out the plants, we tried to find things, it gives you some color throughout the year, winter months and summer months, blooms different times of the year, and a lot of the different colors and textures. Are there some plants, looking at it now here, it's been a couple months since we've planted, that things that you like, what are some of your favorites?
Well, I do. I love the different colors of what are these?
The heuchras.
Yep, the heuchras, and then I'm excited. We haven't really had any ground cover back here, but the few ground covers you put in that really add that kind of deeper green.
Yeah, you put a lot of the pachysander kind of along the edge here that would kind of fill in and eventually kind of just soften the edges.
And then the bleeding hearts were beautiful, which are now kind of gone out of bloom, but they held their bloom for a long time, and so it was nice to see some flowering color back here.
To get you that real early spring color. So, and I mean, we know that you have dogs, and so that was kind of a consideration in what we were putting in the beds.
A little bit, but so that there would be some durability, but mostly they stay out of the bed, so we're just
because you have very well trained dogs.
Yes. Yeah, so not so much. More appearance and just the natural addition.
Yeah. So, we really appreciate, the support you gave to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. It's a near and dear cause to me and my family's heart. So, you can go to gardentime.tv and you can learn more information on Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, and you can learn more information on Little Prince plants, because a lot of these came from Little Prince, and you can check out their website. So, Amy, I appreciate the support, and it's your yard is beautiful, and I hope you enjoy it for many years to come.
I do. Thank you very much.